Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Finally, we received one of the latest smartwatch from the company Infinix. It is also a popular brand for affordable smartphones. And we have here the Infinix XWatch 3. Stay connected. On this video, we are going to have the unboxing of this new wearable from Infinix, the XWatch 3. We are going to check its design, the dimensions, the weight, as well as the specs of this wearable, and we are going to have a preview of its UI. So if you are interested to see what are the new features on this Infinix XWatch 3, watch this video. And of course, support our channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing to Smartwatch Specifications YouTube channel. Okay? Again, you can drop a comment below if you have some questions regarding the wearable. Alright, so let's start and explore the Infinix XWatch 3. So this is the packaging. I thought they will have a simple packaging, but when I received this smartwatch, I'm impressed with the quality of the packaging. As you can see here, it looks premium. So stay connected. So their tagline is stay connected. We have here some specs, and we do have a features here on this side. Okay, we do have a clear Bluetooth call, comprehensive health monitoring, multiple sports mode, and 200 plus stylish watch faces. Okay, so we have here the specs. Let's have a preview of the specs here. Display is 2.01 inch IPS with a 240 by 296 pixel resolution. The model is XW3, 270 mAh, IP68 waterproof rated. It is using the My Health support app. Okay, so let's check it out. Let's remove the plastic cover here. Again, this is one of the latest, or perhaps the latest, wearable from the company Infinix. They have a lot of new smartphones, okay, for 2024, and before the 2024 ends, we have this XWatch 3. Okay, so let's check on the contents. So we have the smartwatch with a strap attached. We have a rectangular design smartwatch. Then let's see. So removing this, we can get the user manual, if there's a user manual, and a charging cable. So we have here the charging cable, pogo pin, USB type A, and of course the XWatch 3 user manual. We also have here, it's this warranty card. Yes, so here are the contents of the Infinix Watch 3, or the Infinix XWatch 3. We have the charging cable, the warranty card, we have the user manual, and the smartwatch with a flexible strap attached to it. Okay, so these are the contents of the Infinix XWatch 3. So let's proceed with the unveiling of the XWatch 3. Let's remove the plastic cover here. So seems like we do have a minimalist design. What's this? A metal, seems like a plastic body frame. The same at the back here. We have a flexible silicone strap with a quick release pin or easy replacement. We have a branding here, Infinix. Speaker hole here. Mic. And we have a crown button. 2.5D. I guess 2.5D tempered glass. So this is the look of the Infinix XWatch 3. Okay, so medium size smartwatch with a sporty look. Okay, so let's check on the dimension here. So we have our measuring tool here. Let's check. For the width, we have 38.5 millimeter. Then for the length, we have 47.1 millimeter. Again, so 47. Okay, you can say that it's 47 or 47.1. Okay, so it is in the range of 47. For the thickness here, including the glass but not the sensor here, it is 11.1. If it's just the body frame, so it is, I think it's around 10. If 9.4, let's see. Yes, it's around 10, I think. 9.8 here. Okay. So again, 47. Let's double check. So 47.1 by 38.3. Okay, so 38.3 by 11 centimeter or 11 millimeter. For the strap, this is 22 millimeter, as you can see here. 22 millimeter. Okay, so very good strap. Okay, as it is compatible with most of the third-party strap in the market. It's easy to purchase a 22 millimeter than 20 or 18. So with the branding Infinix here, metal. And for the weight, let's check. We have a weighing scale here. Zero. Let's check. So it is around 40. So 40.34 or 36. 40 point. Let's wait. And it's moving. So let's wait. So 40.48 grams. Very lightweight. Less than 50 grams only. Okay. So again, it's a sporty smartwatch with minimalist design, plastic body frame, medium size. It is using pogo pin, USB type A. So let's check if there's a power left on our Infinix XWatch 3. Nice animation here from Infinix. I like the intro here. English. Scan to bind. Okay. Scan code pairing. Let's see if we can skip it. Date settings. Okay. So this is the look. Let's see if this is working. No, it's not rotary. Let's see. Oh yes, it's for rotary button, but not for the watch face here. Let's change this one. Let's see if we can check the black border here. Okay, so as you can see here, very slim black border, left and right, and on the top. It's a bit wide here on the bottom part, but still, it is much better compared to other fitness tracker or smartwatches with a wide black border. We do have here on the side left and right, it's almost non-existent. Let's check again the specs here. 2.01 inch IPS LCD with a 240 by 296 pixel resolution, 270 mAh, IP68 waterproof rating. The material here, as you can see, okay, so it is a combination of metal, 20% metal, 45% board, and 35% ABS and PC material. Very good. Okay, so Infinix detailed here the material. Okay, very good company, providing more information to the user. So far, the wearable, although it is very affordable, do have a premium look. Much better compared to other smartwatches with a much pricey, okay, with a much higher price. So for the UI, let's check the settings here. On the bottom part, we have the notifications. On the left side, we have the split screen. We have the widgets. And to access the main menu, just press the power or rotary crown button here. Okay. So that's it for our unboxing review of the Infinix XWatch 3 smartwatch, the latest smartwatch from the company Infinix. Again, if you have any questions, drop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.